In a world that never stops rushing, there is a place where time slows down, where noise becomes silence, where mass production meets mastery. This is not just a car. This is the Rolls-Royce Phantom. For over a century, this name has stood alone at the absolute pinnacle of automotive luxury. Today, we're stepping inside a moving sanctuary, engineered by artisans, not assembly lines. If you've ever wondered what happens when craftsmanship meets uncompromising vision, keep watching. Heritage and philosophy. The story of the Phantom begins long before it touches the road. It starts in Goodwood, England, where every single Phantom is hand-built by a dedicated team of specialists who treat each vehicle not as a product, but as a private commission. Rolls-Royce doesn't manufacture cars. They craft legacies. The modern Phantom, now in its 8th generation, carries forward a philosophy established nearly a century ago to be the best car in the world. Not the fastest, not the loudest, but the most complete, the most refined, the one that sets the standard against which every other luxury vehicle is measured. In an age of automation, the Phantom remains proudly analog in spirit, digital in execution, and utterly human in execution. Exterior design and presence. Step outside, and the Phantom commands reverence without raising its voice. Its design is an exercise in architectural proportion. The signature Pantheon grille, hand-polished from solid stainless steel, stands as a modern monument to heritage. The iconic rear-hinged coach doors open with a silent, hydraulic grace, inviting you into a realm that operates on a different frequency. Every line is deliberate. Every curve is calculated. The Phantom's aluminum space frame architecture is wrapped in body panels so precisely aligned that laser measurement reveals variance, measured in fractions of a millimeter, and the paint, up to 7 layers, hand-applied, hand-sanded, and hand-polished across 5 full days. The result isn't just a finish. It's depth, it's reflection, it's presence. The Phantom doesn't follow styling trends. It ignores them. Interior craftsmanship and luxury. But the true masterpiece lies within. Open the door, and you're welcomed into an environment engineered for absolute serenity. Rolls-Royce calls it the gallery, a sealed glass dashboard space that houses bespoke artwork commissioned by the owner. From miniature oil paintings to silk tapestries, beneath it, the finest natural materials are curated with museum-level precision. Over 20,000 individual stitches secure the leather, sourced from high-altitude herds to ensure zero insect bites or scars. Lamb's wool carpets, thick enough to cushion every step, are cut and laid by hand. And above you, the Starlight headliner more than 1,000 fiber optic lights, individually threaded into the roof lining, programmable to replicate the exact night sky of any coordinate on Earth. But the Phantom's greatest interior achievement isn't what you see, it's what you don't hear. Over 100 kilograms of acoustic insulation, laminated double-glazed windows, and specially tuned tires work in harmony to create one of the quietest cabins ever engineered. At highway speeds, conversation requires no raised voice. At any speed, the outside world simply fades. Engineering and ride quality. How does a nearly 3-ton vehicle feel weightless? The answer is Rolls-Royce's proprietary Planar suspension system. A forward-facing camera scans the road ahead, reading imperfections milliseconds before impact. Self-leveling air springs and adaptive dampers react in real time, isolating occupants from vibration, harshness, and noise. Power comes from a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12, producing nearly 600 horsepower and immense torque available from just above idle. But here, horsepower isn't about acceleration stats. It's about effortless reserve. The 8-speed satellite-aided transmission reads GPS topography to anticipate hills, curves, and traffic, selecting the ideal gear before the driver even considers it. The Phantom doesn't rush. It arrives. Every input is filtered, every motion smoothed, every journey elevated to something closer to flight than driving. Technology and comfort. Technology in the Phantom never dominates. It serves. Screens, sensors, and interfaces are meticulously integrated behind wood, leather, and polished metal. The infotainment system is intuitive, voice-activated, and designed to fade into the background when not needed. The rear cabin transforms into a private executive lounge, fold-out picnic tables, refrigerated compartments, individual microclimate zones calibrated to personal preference, even the iconic analog clock runs on a quartz movement, calibrated twice during, assembly for flawless accuracy, advanced driver aids adaptive cruise, night vision, cross-traffic alert, lane guidance are all present but elegantly concealed. The Phantom understands a fundamental truth. True luxury isn't about having the most features. It's about having exactly what you require, exactly when you require it, without ever breaking the atmosphere. Bespoke program and ownership. Owning a Phantom is rarely a transaction. It's a collaboration. Through the Rolls-Royce Bespoke Collective, clients work directly with designers, material experts, and master craftspeople to translate personal vision into rolling reality. Match leather to a vintage watch strap. Done. Source veneer from a specific forest. Possible. Infuse the cabin with a custom scent. Already standard procedure. Each Phantom requires over 100 hours of hand assembly. Each receives a signature plaque bearing the name of the lead craftsman. Ownership extends beyond metal and leather into an exclusive ecosystem of private gatherings, curated travel, and concierge-level service that anticipates needs before they're spoken. The Phantom isn't bought, it's commissioned. Conclusion and call to action. In an era obsessed with acceleration metrics and digital overload, the Rolls-Royce Phantom remains a quiet rebellion, a reminder that true luxury isn't measured in specs, but in sensation, in the weight of a door closing, in the silence of a cabin that isolates you from the noise, in the hands of artisans who refuse to compromise. The Phantom doesn't chase trends. It outlives them. It doesn't compete. It simply exists at the top. If this journey into automotive craftsmanship resonated with you, hit subscribe. Drop your thoughts below. What does true luxury mean to you? And tap the bell so you never miss our next deep dive. Until then, drive beautifully.